How to naturally whiten your teeth. Want a brighter smile without the harsh chemicals or dentist bills? You're not alone. Teeth whitening has become the holy grail of beauty routines, and for good reason. A white smile can boost confidence, improve first impressions, and make you feel like a toothpaste commercial star. But did you know your oral microbiome? Yep, that tiny ecosystem in your mouth plays a major role in how white your teeth appear. Fun fact, your mouth is home to over 700 species of bacteria. Some protect your teeth, while others throw a plaque party. A balanced oral microbiome keeps your teeth cleaner, healthier, and yes, whiter. Ever notice how kids seem to have glow-in-the-dark white teeth? That's because baby teeth have less mineralized enamel, letting their natural whiteness shine through. As we age, enamel wears down, and the yellow dentin underneath becomes more visible. That's why adult teeth often look darker or duller over time. Totally normal. But it doesn't mean you can't do something about it. Let's talk shine. Your teeth's brightness depends a lot on how light bounces off them. Smoother enamel, better light reflection, whiter-looking teeth. Fun tip. Coconut oil pulling, swishing a spoonful around your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes, may help reduce plaque and polish enamel. Plus, it's ancient and trendy. Enter hydroxyapatite, the star of modern natural toothpaste. It's a mineral that mimics your enamel and can actually rebuild microscopic damage, making your teeth not just look better but feel stronger too. Now, before you pour bleach in your coffee, don't. Let's talk peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is the active ingredient in most whitening strips and gels. It breaks down stains, but too much of it can mess with your enamel and irritate your gums. Personal side note, I've had canker sores after overdoing it with whitening strips. Not fun. So if your smile starts burning like hot pizza cheese, ease up. Microbiome. Warning. Studies show overuse of peroxide can throw off your mouth's natural balance, increasing your risk of cavities and gum issues. Aging doesn't just bring wisdom, it brings yellow teeth too. With age, saliva production slows down, and less saliva means more staining and decay risk. Stain watch. Coffee, tea, red wine, curry. Delicious. But they're the usual suspects when it comes to tooth discoloration. Rinse with water afterward or try using a straw when possible. Mouth breathing. Alert. Breathing through your mouth, due to allergies or sleep issues, can dry it out, which speeds up staining. If you wake up with a dry mouth, it might be affecting your smile more than you think. Whitening your teeth naturally isn't just possible, it can be healthier too. Focus on keeping your oral microbiome happy, using remineralizing toothpaste with hydroxyapatite, swishing natural oils like coconut or sesame, avoiding peroxide overuse, rinsing after staining foods. Bonus fun. Fact, strawberries contain malic acid, which can help naturally whiten teeth. Just don't overdo it. Acid is still acid. Oh, if you're chasing that glowing smile, remember, it's not about blinding white teeth, but healthy, naturally bright ones that last a lifetime. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more holistic health tips, and drop your favorite smile emoji in the comments if you're ready to go natural with your smile. See you in the next one, and until then, keep smiling naturally.